In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change colors and edit text in PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you ever find yourself needing to tweak a PDF, perhaps to highlight some important information or correct text, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process and make editing simple and straightforward. First, the initial step is to open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Having the latest version installed ensures that you have access to all the features we're going to explore today. Once you've launched Acrobat Pro, the next move is to open the PDF file that you want to edit. You can do this by navigating to the File menu at the top of your screen and selecting Open. From there, browse through your files to find the document you need. Now that you have your PDF open, what you'll want to do is locate the editing tool. This is your primary hub for making changes within your document. You can access the editing tools by clicking on Edit PDF on the right-hand toolbar. At this point, all editable elements in your PDF will be highlighted. This feature is particularly helpful as it allows you to see exactly what can be changed or adjusted. Focusing now on text editing, let's start by highlighting the text you wish to modify. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. Once your text is selected, you'll notice that the tools on the left side of your screen become active. These are your text editing options. Here you have the power to change the font style, the font size, and even the color. With just a few clicks, you can bold, underline, or italicize text as well. This flexibility can be especially handy when you need to emphasize certain sections or make your document more visually appealing. In addition to adjusting text properties, you might also find it necessary to format your text further. For example, you can create bulleted or numbered lists to better organize information. You can also change the alignment of your text, whether you want it aligned to the left, centered, or justified. Each of these options can be found within the editing toolbar, and they can transform a cluttered PDF into something much easier to read. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, Adobe Acrobat Pro allows you to easily change colors and edit text in PDFs, tailoring your document to meet your specific needs. Playing around with these tools a few times will make you more comfortable with the entire editing process. Remember, the more you experiment with these features, the quicker you'll become at making these adjustments intuitively. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy editing!